I'm going to show you guys the difference between delamination and diaper damage so you know when to contact your manufacturer, file a claim to get your product replaced, or when you need to just take better care of your stuff. This cover has a very interesting honeycomb print. That's damage, and it also doesn't smell very good. This diaper literally looks like it has a floating layer of plastic wrap inside, and you can hear it. That's delamination, and you need to contact the brand so that they can replace it for you. This cover has lots of that honeycomb print all over it. That honeycomb print is caused from it melting to the dryer and the dryer vents. Damage on the inside of covers like this can happen when you overstuff your dryer or when your dryer temperature is set too high. You can avoid this on items that have an exposed waterproof TPU layer by taking your covers and snapping them closed between the washer and the dryer, or just hanging your covers to dry. There's no lining in them and there's no absorbency, so they dry very, very fast out of the dryer. Delamination like this is not caused by anything that you did. This is likely going to show up in the first 3 to 5 washes, and it will look like the entire sheet peeling off. This is caused by an error in the manufacturing process, and it is going to affect the first several yards of the fabric when it was manufactured and that laminate was being applied to the fabric itself. The larger the print run, the fewer units are going to be affected by the delamination, so the more likely you are to get that replacement in the exact same print, and it won't be affected.